How to get bigger breast. Big or small, breasts come in all shapes and sizes, and all breasts are beautiful. While some feel comfortable in their own natural body, others wish to work on themselves, which is simply a choice. 1. Exercises for big breasts. Exercising regularly and in the right way may help you in getting bigger breasts. Weight training. Intense exercises have been thought to contract and relax the pectoral as well as the chest muscles in the body, giving you a more defined and sculpted look. 2. Diet for bigger breasts. Diet plays a significant role in shaping up the body. Where breast size is concerned, it requires proper nutrition. For example, milk, flax seeds, papaya, green leafy vegetables, nuts, soy are the great source of nutrition. 3. Yoga for big breasts. Yoga has been a natural healing agent for thousands of healing. It unites the body with the mind and helps you counter diseases from within. 4. Massage oil for big breasts. Of course, massaging is one of the best ways to increase breast size. So what natural oils or lotions can you use to massage your breasts? Here is what you need to know: flaxseed oil, breast enlargement creams, fennel and olive oil. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.